August General Meeting at Chinatown Union, 17th of August 2024. Chairman Idegude Planning Committee 2024, Mr. Ahanna Alfonso Sejidike speaking.
That will come. Next. Then the competition laws are first. When more first na second na third. So happy as that day. That the best. First and second and third. All have my display in the table ground. Then the prize, I get a prize. That day I get a prize. Next, Imam Ben competition. If we have first, second, and third, or proper that day I get the competition. But I'm the first, second, you have to come and be able. So I was in Bemi, you must be young. It only young. No matter what is in Canada, because how much noise how has he of more. But whatever first, second, and third, or they are to say in the table. When you say inherited in here. Then we traditional attire. Ndị ya emezi nke awụ ndị ụmụ nwaanyị achịna wee bụ nwa ada ma anọrọ ga alụ ụmụ nwaanyị ịmara ada anụ ọnụ atọ ndị alụrụ amesi onyinye mana ndị ụmụ nwaanyị general everybody so ha ma ya emezi competition ndị na-asụ nja traditional attires emechaa ya a ga-enweta onye gbara first second and third ha ya bịakwa idegwu yirikwezie ihe aha bịara display idegwu ka ọ bụrụ na ihe egwu ka a na-eme then idegwu then PG ga-enyezi adres when says the address, then SEW, the place is Umaji, which we believe that's the right thing to do. Then, I gave a summit. Summit Gabu, Mana Abayo, the more. Now I got water specialist. Water specialist personnel, resource person, kind of one. If I don't make a road, I can have one. But only got to have a time. I can like it. You can also like water. Maka, Oga Bia, I wanted to some tips about career development and skills in the area of trading. So the area of trading, from Wobre. The area of trading, then academics. Madam, any somebody got St. Peter, we came on St. Peter, with a scholarship, America. Somebody have to come and tell us something like this. We would like to hear. Agriculture. Only a specialist, a professor that will come and talk to us. That's what we want to do. You can before the day before or second day or third day before the day. So I got confirm. I got an invitation. Representative. But I can say that the youth get a good number of representatives. Although one day when I get when either we get I didn't brochure, but I acquire brochure. I get one handbook. Handbook like a compendium of here at that Sonia, here at that match. In the overall I know Ghana, I know Emarana, every issue, every he came in at or never even Naggy, Caraway, or never even Nanagisu, were menagement. And literally they're proud of it, because they continue. Yeah, Nega, is not the because Oga for posterity. So echi nwata mepee ya sị gị hey daddy ọ ngachi na-emecha ihe niile so mana nke ahụ a ga-enwe sponsorship ya a ga-eji nke ahụ wee chọọ obere nta ego onye na-akwado onye bụ onye isi so na onye isi na-akwado ndị akwụkwọ ahụ ndị Amerịka a sị na a ga-akwụ sọsọ $160 only ka a ga-akwụ for you to sponsor one page will front and back one page in that. So maka nnukwu mmemme a ga-eme sekuriti ga-abụ top notch ọ ga-abụ ihe anyị ga-akwado ndị sekuriti ga-abịa ga-anọgasị make sure na ịpak moto na moto gị adị safe then enweghị onye ụkwụ ga-akpọ that day ọkahọrọ. Thank you very much. Biko enye ahụ ihe anyị kwadoro anyị ga-eme n'Idegwu wee na-arịọ ndị achịna biko Idegwu ọ na-adị m ka nke na oji apụ iche anyị ga-eme ya acha anyị ga-eme ya adị ndụ anyị ga-eme ya abụ ihe anyị wee ṅụọ n'Idegwu nnukwu mmemme a ga-eri ṅụọ ngwụcha ihe niile egwu ngene ekwe ọkwa nkọhiri ka mgbe so ihe dị na ya bụ ka a ga-esi kwado ya bụ ịma na PG na-adị ama ndị branches onye bịa ya si weta ego eji agwa n'Idegwu mana ndị kọmitii si mba PG gwa ndị branch biko ewetara ego ahụ were ego ahụ shie ihe iji eri vote mmanya gị were bịawa ọ bụghị eme gị bịasị anyị na bikos na ndị Idegwu agha asagbe ndị na 2 o'clock na ndị ịsagbe ndị buru ndị gị nnọọ ọrụ 12 o'clock bido ribe ya enweghị onye ga-enye gị nsogbu ọ ihe ka anyị si chọọ ịkwado so that ka a ghara inwe onye ga-asị nna agụrụ na gị aka obodo mgbara oge ọ gara ebe ọjọọ ha apụọ ya ma ya bụ isi ihe niile akwado so ọ ihe dị na entertainment enwezikwa ihe onye ndị ọzọ ndị kọmitii nọ ebe a they can come in on anything but I think this is the brief of our plan wee na-ayọ ụmụ Idegwu biko bịanụ ka anyị mee ya ka ọ chaa achị. Thank you very much.
Mụ na anyị na-ahụbu mmepe ma ndị si n'aka gọọmenti ma ndị si n'aka individuals ma ndị si n'aka groups ịsọmọ ya up ọ qualified any normal human being ịhụ na achịnanụ na-ewu atụ some new face and anyị na-ekele Chukwu maka ya na-ekele aka niile mere ka ọ dị etu a na-asị ka anyị niile jide ka anyị n'aha Jizọs. Yes, ụfọdụ ụdịsị gị chọọchị na mkpụrụ anyị na-asọ ọ bụrụ nne ihe ama atọ na-atụ anyị until I go to destination. Onye si gị na true ọ bụ new face of Achịna n'ele anya is true na emebe awọdụ produce contract ụzọ gọọmenti na-arụ na otu na-emere ya wọk mana ewezuga na Chukwu sịrị ka anyị soro kọwa akụkọ ndị nwere korota ojere na-abịa ibenibu na onye bụ gọvanọ bụ onye nwanne anyị onye Nsọfịa mana ihe oge eruru so anyị ka na-eji ndụ na-ahụ ihe oge eruru anyị na-asị obi Chineke maka ya wee n'anya tụrụ mgbara orie tụrụ ọgbọ ji bụ ndị ọgbara eze akwụkwọ obere ihe mere atịta na enwere ndị si mkpụrụgwu si Aguleri Chukwu wee na-alaba ha ga-esi njide ahụ ga-abịa mgbara orie ha dịkwa akwa datara aka na-ekwu agha korota gafekwa okuru Enugu ụmụọma onye na onye gwara nọkwute nwafọ Achịna on his own without so much pronouncement close to a kilometer road taa ya to quality gọọmenti anaghị believe in hospitals. Then I went to court. I went to magistrate court in Achịna. Then the essence of that magistrate court years. Why you have to go to the state one at that? How about the time they don't answer the cardiac automatic? Then, everyone at Guru Amos, Abo, Umuju, Uga, Ego, Uga, that's a very important. How more importance? Ihe na-eme dị a dịka a situation where a jụrụ anyị n'anụ iyi headquarters maka the influence of this court now nyere anyị close to what would have been happening na ọnwụ na anyị nwere anụ iyi. So ebe anyị enwe anụ iyi for now, then anyị nwee court. The record one now control the time and because that is what it means. So I never if you deliver one have in the age grade I will say. So I may when we record one then we record two. If she got one they see because two are missing. If you got two versions, you got one and then Sitanan to Jaka Amara Jineke. Inde Bro Ajina Maka decide there can go for the two. Back so one Sinahaga and Pata and the Nania Yadi gave Imanata Akian Nature. So, and one of the things I promise is when I get so we can celebrate the return year in this time. So, you know, 41 and the 42 Ghanaians cities simultaneously. You know, for sure when I get with God, I know more of our mother. And when the guru, they are not the back, the back way of the Kahana, and the Arabia, the Goliath. So, for me, on the paper, then I now, Nigeria, educated at an Abuzo, Parande, Koran, Eject. We took on Akanaga, we were on their own. Decide there, Mahagi, they fell here, Allah, every woman that coronation ground. You know, we all get that place. Yeah, they can die in the enemy. Okay, make and then there, Otuala, Israel, no she. I manage it to her. Make happier, and then with the baram. And that project is taking tens of millions. Or people who have done before. What did you have to decide the asset? I had to be a tire. Like a diana. How many days qualify the new face of action? Then I do like no. Otherwise, only higher. I got on their own, have decided to take a handle to it. You know, celebrating I am, and I had Jupiter. Mamma, say, no, I come, and I need to walk up. Right? You know, celebrate before you Jupiter. You know, I can celebrate the whole, no, put it in Carina. Mamma, so, you know, celebrate about them more Amuma, Amumas, Brain, etc. I go to come in and I jet. A come here, I need a like area. Even though Kenya cat in Amaka, when you go now, at an approval when you project now, I'm a message in a hazard that I'm going to have a project of one.
That's it,
So, yes. Sophie bụ League of Latina Women Professionals. Ụmụ nwanyị gbasatara aka si ka ha soro n'ọrụ enweghị a na-contribute. Yes, and we can see activities dị na mgbara ụlọ. Akpọrọ ya resource center. And mgbe ọbụla ahụta anya atụmanya dị na atụm, a ga-microfinance a ga-aga that round. Alright? So, a niile bụ ihe content na that the new phase of achievement. So, ebe ka m ga-adọghara iwe. Ndị ADA bụ ndị achịna nọ US, ha na-eme ebe contributions. Ije na hospital, enwere building ha nọ there, bute ambulance, ọ dịghị efe before. So, anyị na-ekele Chukwu na ndị o mere eme, na-ekele ndị enyi ozugbo na-eme ihe ndị a, wee na-arịọkwa Chukwu nke ọ gaji emere anyị na ndị mmadụ nke a gaji emere anyị aka nke a megoro anyị. Because mgbe ahụ nta họrọ mgbe eji ego agbakọtara na rekọd ya in the 50s to edi ụka họrọ. Ihe anyị kwesịrị inwe bụ civic center where it cannot be seen as only hall. Akụrụ mkpenye here. Plan ahụ hụrụ here belong to the past. But ebe ahụ bụ ya in the past, ya ka bụrụ kịta ka a ga-aga na-atụ nke mmụọ ndị mmadụ na-atụkọta ego eme ya. I'm not going to PG and the executive here. Bruno, being ambitious about it, sit over a civic center, so it is going to hold. Then, you are going to get an engineer before I have an ever. All the very obvious, there are some defects. And I'm not saying that we have a plan. Or rather, now on the plan. We will now see the commissioner experts. And I'm on my case in here. And the few developments, few plans on the development will not now meet the test of time. So, Kingsley, I got when the women and I there with the plan. We go look at it and see how we can remodel this place. The roof has nothing to do when you okay? I have to carry or teach anybody. And they say, behind the good, we have on our wall. What is possible? With all ambition, all of them are convinced them money. People may not deny the develop when you get up with the develop cost on that test of time. So, let's all be collective. Let's say Kaino is a center. And the Kaide Zeba, Kaino Academy. So I'm not charging the executive. One of my group is in the basement. One of the Kahari model over. And the Kaino Academy over the money. Then also reform. I need about 2 years plus. I suspend the nearby also because now I have and many people know that Sinahuna I have I suspend the nearby also. The whole of the Shinoshi I did a record in the morning. This is very embargo. But we don't want to go into it now because the reform in the pronouncement and as is our sanction the will be contained in the document. And what I want to tell you is we didn't stop it and went to sleep. The committee had done their work, submitted to the council. Then council now, within the council, I know some few people. I think I just study the documents. Guide their higher ime the pronouncement. And I want to say that already, when I declare that everybody got to make a pronouncement they are all na ofala. No, here, some of the ocean region there, now is only one of the jobs of the world. Magana Nanyo no Nana Gomene. I said, more the General Pata. Utolite, who come around and they say, I'm not $1 million. That was on the way, I cannot try more. I may exist. So, you know, when I get a job, I will be a guy that I'm at the desert for 5 years. That is one of the things that I tell you here. And also being the attainment. Okay, for example, even up to 5 years, some less than that. Then you have to go how do you do that? Whereas part of also Europe is that. How do you blame? Can you blame the child? Man, what will they do? Find this all about me. And we're in our disqualify our meeting. I will know your diagram. And when you have to reach on that, you can walk to also. And when you go out the day, didn't give that that point on them. And when you out the fish again. So that at the end of the day, all the rest in initiation into court. So that is one of the reasons why we don't want to go in terms of the regular years. Then I can't go on. I now also have attainment. You got the qualified. You got Joya. You got the final. So that we are the Capella to say police uniform tell of the shop. I am not great at what I never need when you're going to have side. When I die, I am not going to go back to also teen acquisition. So, behind the cool now, it will never be like that again. More than I did China, it is your one that be defeating to also. I smell the requiring you to do deserve. So these are some of the things that are contained in here. So I'm not saying who will be more better. Now you hear part of that version. Yes. I've been impressed with the effort you try in MENA. I'm going to idea from things that I have seen. No necessarily the future belongs to the youth. I made a mistake. With the end now, I'm going to be you that massive. After I'm will have it. Wait to go ahead and make more. I got away from personal. So can I reach there to that because all hands must be on deck. You might take out there, for example, I have home security. In the community sit around us. You got one about taking you to the mother. Look at China. You want anybody to really use. It's because they know that they can also help to keep the place safe. And it is equally very important role for them to play because most of the miscreants are youth. Makana, although now among youth, there's a lot of things so. A good name need a better eye. So I may encourage youth who should not go watch out. Don't expect PG or you going to say that against somebody and they punish you. And when you punish, now join you. Here I go or Hashiro for your head. And I say, all right. 20 member security every day cannot police actual police well enough. So I'm a Nigerian that I want to use. Take any census of Umaka, Nenya, and so many have tried to not meeting with them. One on for the last time. That's the very, very good. Otherwise, if we see you misbehaving, we'll punish you and punish you that they won't in order that I can get a also. Hey, it doesn't share that. Huh? All you can do is say, I'm not trying to move into the I will go destination I get at Japan. All right? I'm going to sanctioning more we there will go. All right? But I know I know Daniel over there. Can show to our car. I need only Ben. Self-limit. One may take its substance. And I am about the impact of movement and the relax. So, parents, every one of my car. Yeah, I want the room on your family of Market. Whenever you're saying to them, maybe to go woman or so I'm not saying I need to go watch ya issue of crime. Crime in any manner. Mandin area, Mandin Azura. Monday, Nanu Ka youth take any lead. Ka tell or in any form in any manner. When I got information each, see directed information appropriately. So I'm young. Ka any legislator even quarters. I am going about quarter security. Man, it looks like a Jiba. Because what of going to the Meliate, place. Every year, government is saying, even from what they are not I'm wearing a China, no, from people with that, Abara, and you with the motor. But funding is very important in your bachelor security. To build a unified security outfit. I get procure equipment. I get raise the funds. I got to raise the funds from among the communities. Like all we know, your bachelor security is very expensive. So to the level they want to do it. Even the police, you get Japan. 14 communities in Ghana is going to take hundreds of millions. So I support to buy at the meeting. And my contribution now, because now, who's the other one that I'm going to my carbon on police presence or that outfit presence around Uroka. Either or the way in Canada, any woman or Canada or so, that's a David.